Imagine driving across the open road in pure BMW luxury, where power meets comfort and design meets freedom. Today, we're counting down the top 3 BMW motorhomes that turn the dream of luxury travel into reality. At number 3, we have the futuristic BMW ZRV Concept, a vision of travel that blurs the line between performance and home. Powered by BMW's electric drive technology, the ZRV offers silent cruising and zero emissions, all wrapped in sleek aerodynamic design. Exterior: a futuristic BMW motorhome with smooth curves, blue LED accents, and a panoramic windshield parked beside a lake at sunset. Interior: modern cabin with digital dashboard and minimalist steering wheel. Kitchen: compact modular kitchen with induction stove, hidden fridge, and fold-out dining area. Bedroom: ambient lighting, retractable queen bed, and smart glass windows showing a night sky. Bathroom: minimalist shower with LED lighting, glass walls and stainless fixtures. Voiceover: inside, it's like stepping into the future. An elegant living space powered by smart automation, sustainable materials, and BMW craftsmanship. At number 2, the BMW Horizon Touring Edition, a real-world collaboration between BMW Design Works and a luxury RV builder. This motorhome combines BMW's driving DNA with 5-star hotel interiors. Exterior: a luxury motorhome based on the BMW X7 front design, metallic silver body, wide stance, LED strips, panoramic mountain road shots. Interior: lounge-style seating in leather and wood trims, BMW iDrive screen on the dashboard. Kitchen: elegant kitchenette with marble countertop, chrome sink, and coffee machine built into the wall. Bedroom: king-size bed with side ambient lights and large windows with countryside views. Bathroom: stylish vanity, rainfall shower, and warm lighting. With a range of over 600 kilometers and BMW's signature handling, the Horizon makes every destination feel like a luxury resort on wheels. And at number 1, the BMW Luxury Liner V12 Custom, the crown jewel of BMW-inspired RVs. Built around a 7 Series powertrain, this beast delivers elegance, raw performance, and comfort like no other. Exterior: massive luxury motorhome with BMW front grille, twin exhausts, and LED DRL lines glowing at night. Drone shot of it driving on a coastal highway. Interior: full wood panel walls, lounge sofas, digital entertainment hub. Kitchen: high-end kitchen with full-size fridge, oven, dishwasher, and ambient blue lighting. Bedroom: premium leather headboard, retractable TV, skylight above bed. Bathroom: marble tiles, jacuzzi tub, and touchscreen controls. From the roaring V12 engine to the handcrafted interiors, this BMW motorhome is the ultimate symbol of luxury on the move, where performance meets perfection.
So which BMW motorhome would you choose for your next road adventure? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury vehicle showcases.